MCQ practice চ্যাপ্টার 3 থেকে সিএ সার্টিফিকেট লেভেলের আমরা এই এপিসোডে 10টা MCQ প্র্যাকটিস করব সিরিয়াল নাম্বার 61 to 70. Let's start from MCQ number 61. Joystick is used to move the cursor to make a move in computer game, or joystick is used to input the text. Which one is correct answer? Joystick is used to move the cursor to make a move in computer game, or joystick is used to input the text. The correct answer is A. Joystick is used to move the cursor to make a move in computer game. MCQ 62. The brain of the computer is CPU or keyboard. Which one is correct answer? Which one is known as the brain of the computer? CPU or keyboard? The correct answer is CPU. CPU is the brain of the computer. Question 63. Which one is not a component of CPU? Option A, ALU, that means arithmetic logic unit. B, control unit. C, RAM, RAM means random access memory. Which one is correct answer? The correct answer is RAM. Random access memory is not a component of CPU. MCQ 64. Following which statement is false? A, ALU perform arithmetic and logical operations. B, ALU controls the operations of the computer. Which one is false? The false statement is B. ALU, arithmetic logic unit, controls the operation of the computer. It is false statement. The correct statement is ALU, that means arithmetic logic unit, performs arithmetic and logical operations. MCQ 65. Which component of CPU is responsible for directing and coordinating most of the operations in the computer? Option A, ALU. Option B, control unit. Which one is responsible for directing and coordinating most of the operations in the computer? Option A, ALU, arithmetic logic unit. Option B, control unit. The correct answer is B. Control unit is responsible for directing and coordinating most of the operations in the computer. MCQ 66. Speed measurement unit of the CPU is hertz or beats per second. Speed measurement unit of the CPU is option A, hertz, option B, beats per second. Correct answer is hertz. Hertz is the measurement unit of the speed of CPU. MCQ 67. Which type of processor can execute multiple instructions simultaneously? Option A, multi-core. Option B, dual-core. Which type of processor can execute multiple instructions simultaneously? Option A, multi-core. Option B, dual-core. The correct answer is multi-core. Multi-core can execute multiple instructions simultaneously. MCQ 68. What is the role of register in the CPU? Option A, hold small amounts of data temporarily for quick access. Option B, manage the overall operations of the computer. Which one is correct answer? What is the role of register in the CPU? Option A, hold small amounts of data temporarily for quick access. Or option B, manage the overall operations of the computer. Correct answer is option A. The role of register in the CPU is to hold small amounts of data temporarily for quick access. MCQ 69. Which one describes the main category of storage device? Option A, primary storage, secondary storage, cloud storage. Option B, optical storage, magnetic storage, semiconductor. Which one is correct answer? Before giving the answer, we should know about the basis of the categorization of storage devices. There are three ways or bases on which the storage devices are categorized. One is known as main category of storage device. Another one is known as the categorization based on location of the storage devices, and another one is based on volatility of the storage devices. So we have to answer here which group describes the main category of storage device. Here the correct answer is B. Optical storage, magnetic storage, semiconductor. These three types of storage devices describes the main category of storage device. Now the last question of this episode, MCQ 70. Based on location, the storage devices are option A, volatile, non-volatile. Option B, primary storage, secondary storage, cloud storage. Option C, optical storage, magnetic storage, semiconductor. Which one is based on the location? There are three categories of storage devices here, A, B, and C. Which category is known as the categorization basis on location? The correct answer is B. Primary storage, secondary storage, cloud storage, this categorization is based on the location of the storage devices. Thank you very much.